edit, edit, edit. In this video, I want to share with you 5 secrets that professional photographers use every day to enhance their work. You can use them too, and I want to share them with you today to help improve your photography. Are you ready to learn the secrets? If yes, let's get started. Hi, my name is Sean Gallagher. I'm a professional photographer and filmmaker. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I've spent over 20 years working for clients including National Geographic, The Guardian, and the Pulitzer Center. And here on my channel, I want to share with you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned over my career to help you improve your photography and make your images better. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 secret tips and mindsets that professional photographers use every day to make great images. Once you know them, you can also use them to improve your own photography. Okay, let's go on to secret number 1. The fundamental trait that I see in all professional photographers is that they are obsessed with one thing: light. For a professional photographer, light is like oxygen. We just can't survive without it. So what do professional photographers do that's different from the average amateur photographer? Well, professional photographers will do whatever it takes to be in the right place at the right time to get the best light. We know that if you can photograph in great light, then you're halfway there to making a good image. If that means getting up at 4 a.m. to catch that perfect light at sunrise, we'll do it. As a professional photographer, I'll plan my whole day around the light in whichever place that I'm shooting in. I'll study weather apps to monitor the conditions through the day. I'll even look at apps that provide you with the direction of the light throughout the day and plan where I want to be at any given time. I'll often get up early before sunrise, shoot for a few hours when the light is really good, and then in the middle of the day when the sun is high in the sky and harsh, I'll normally go back to where I'm staying, edit some photos, and then go out again in the late afternoon to shoot again before the sun sets and just after the sun sets, into the early evening. But the main point is I plan my whole shooting day around the light conditions. You can easily do this too by becoming obsessed with the light. Be specific about when you go out and take pictures and give yourself the best chance of shooting in great light. If you combine this with the next secret, then your images are going to start looking significantly better. So once you've started to become more aware of light and the time of day that you're shooting, the next secret is to go back again. Now, what do I mean by go back again? Well, often professional photographers will find a situation that they like, but the light isn't good enough or the light's not what they want. So often professional photographers will go back to the same place again and again and again, waiting for the best light. Now, if this means returning to the same place on multiple times throughout the day, or on different days even, then professional photographers will do that to ensure that they're trying to capture the best possible image. Remember that light is changing throughout the day. A scene can look very different if you take a picture in the morning compared to the same location in the middle of the day, compared to the afternoon, or even at night. All these different lighting conditions offer you different chances of capturing different types of images with different feelings. Professional photographers know this, and they will go back again and again to the same location until they get the picture with the best light that they can. So next time you're out taking pictures, think about the light and how it might be changing throughout the day and how that might affect the scene that you're interested in photographing. Go back to the same place at a different time. Experiment with the different types of light and find the best light for the scene that you are trying to capture. Once you have a set of images that you're happy with, then you're going to need to learn how to edit them like a professional, which takes us on to secret number 3. How many times have you come back from a photo shoot, put your card in the computer, downloaded your files and realized you shot way more photos than you expected? It could be hundreds, sometimes thousands of images staring at you. We've all done it, even the professionals. One of the secrets to professional photography is the ability to be able to edit your own work. It requires not just the patience to look through all the images that you've shot, but the ability to be able to judge which ones are good and which ones are not, and to be able to whittle it down to only the best ones. So for example, you may have 1,000 images from a shoot. My first step would be to get that down to at least 100 in a first draft of an edit. Then I'll try to get it down to about 10 images that I'm really happy with. But from those 10, I'm editing even further, and I'll probably only choose about 2 to 3 that I'm really happy with and that I might show to my client, or I might choose to include in my portfolio as my final edited images. You have to be ruthless in your editing. Only choose the best images and don't be afraid to cut out the ones that just don't work. Think quality, not quantity, which is actually secret number 4. When sharing work on your website or on social media, it's very tempting to share as many images as possible. And you might have, say, for example, 5 great images of one thing or from one scene and feel that you have to share them all, but you don't. Professional photographers edit their photographs down to only the very best, and that's what they show you. They don't show you the mediocre images. They only want to show you the best of the best. So when you look at the social media of professional photographers, they will show you only the best images. They won't show you all the ones that they eliminated in their editing. So it's about quality, not quantity. Why? Well, because I think we're flooded with generic imagery and photography, especially online, as people try to share as much as possible. But what you should be striving for is to create unique photography, special photography and special images that are unique to you and show your vision of the world. Aim to take one amazing image, not 10 mediocre ones. Now, this approach may take more time, it may require more patience as you improve your editing skills, but the long-term benefits are there. Even if you're sharing less on social media, when you are sharing, you're only sharing your best work and you're showing people your vision of the world and your unique photography. Now, if you really want to work like a professional photographer, then you'll need this final secret to help you on your photography journey. The best photographers don't shoot aimlessly. They have a vision and a purpose to their work. And I want you to try to find that in your own photography to help you improve your images. At any given time, most professional photographers have a specific goal that they're working to. It might be a photo book, it might be an exhibition, they might be really interested in a particular social issue that they're trying to highlight and bring awareness and attention to. This focus can give motivation and meaning to their photography, and it's something that you can learn from too, to help find meaning in your own images. For me, my work focuses on the climate crisis and environmental issues, so I'm always looking for stories that bring attention and awareness to this issue. And this is my motivation, this is my driving factor when I'm out taking images. So what's the purpose of your photography? What's driving you forward? Are you interested in producing a photo essay that might become a book, for example, or an exhibition in your local community? Maybe you're interested in highlighting a social issue or something that you think deserves attention, and you can use photography to bring people's awareness to that issue. Don't just go out and take pictures aimlessly and randomly. Find your purpose, find your goal, and it will make your images better in the long term. Plan around the light. Go back again, and again. Edit your work like a professional and think quality over quantity. And then find meaning and purpose with your photography. Now that you know these secrets of professional photography, I hope you can use them to help improve your work and improve your images. If you've made it this far in the video, I'd like to invite you to join my communities. I have one on WhatsApp and one on WeChat. And in these communities, people share their images, I give feedback, and it's a safe and constructive environment with one aim, which is to help improve your photography. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.